of you for coming. I really appreciate all of your support. It means the world to me. I don't know, anyone who doesn't know the history of this, I put this flag up on the day of 9/11, 2001. I maintain it every year, and I replaced it on the 10th because I don't want to remember 9/11 that way. So I remember the eve of it, so that on the day of 9/11 each year, we got a fresh new flag reminding us that we're still here. Okay? I know that we'll always be here. A couple things I want to point out this year. These black flags you see, those are for the 13 soldier we recently lost in Kabul. Okay, did I say that right? For those of you who know the area better than good enough? Okay. Something a little different this year. I'm sorry, your name? I have Alicia here today. She's going to sing the national anthem before I even start. All right, so we're going to do that, and then I'll get going. And if any of you have any questions, just feel free to reach out to me and ask me whatever you want. If I haven't already introduced myself to you, I apologize. My name is Chris. And again, thank you for your support.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that a flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner